Hey everyone, welcome to DSA in Python YouTube channel. Today we will look at the problem, delete a given node in a linked list if a node is given, the optimal method. Let's get started. Write a function to delete a node in a singly linked list. You will not be given access to the head of the list, instead you will be given access to the node to be deleted directly. It is guaranteed that the node to be deleted is not a tail node in the list. Let's see how to solve this. Assign the value of node.next.val to node.val. Then assign node.next to node.next.next. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Python solutions. Do comment which problems should I solve next.